Top 5 Best Insulated Screwdrivers Set. In this video we only show available, and top 5 best insulated screwdrivers set. Number 1. Klein Tools 32288, Insulated Screwdriver, 8-in-1 Screwdriver Set, with interchangeable blades, 3 Phillips, 3 slotted and 2 square tips. Interchangeable, insulated, screwdriver, set with an insulated handle, 5 interchangeable, insulated blades, and a carrying pouch. Screwdriver, set includes, tip sizes, 2 No. 2 Phillips, 2 1/4 inch slotted, 1 No. 1 Phillips, 1 No. 1 square, 1 No. 2 square, and 1 3/16 inch slotted, securely and easily release the blade with a quick twist of the lock collar. Interchangeable, blades with a slim tip to fit tight terminal, blocks handle, and blade have a 1000 volt insulation rating and meets or exceeds ASTM F1505 standard for insulation, a layer of orange impact, and flame resistant. T insulation protects from electric shock cushion grip handles for greater torque and comfort. Number 2. HORUSDY 6-piece, 1000 V insulated screwdriver set, magnetic tip electrician screwdriver set, insulated screwdriver set. Insulated blades for electrical applications, protects from electric shock up to 1000 volts. Black finish, blade with magnetic tips which could conveniently attract screws. CRV steel with heat treatment, high hardness, and good toughness and resistance. Cushion grip, handle for comfort and control, with ergonomic TPR handle and button on it. It helps you to use very easily. Plastic blade cover, and special material, which makes it durable, and not easily broken down. Number 3. Wiha 32092 slotted, and Phillips insulated, screwdriver set, 1000 volt. Each tool individually, tested to 10,000 volts, and certified to 1000 volt AC or 1500 volt DC. Insulation molded directly onto the blade for permanent bonding. Soft finish, handle solid, molded, core with soft outer cushion, grip, 40% more torque than conventional handles. Wiha Special, CRM 72 tool steel blades. Number 4. Felo 07157530777 14-piece Smart, insulated, screwdriver set. Quantity, 14-piece set. Manufactured, from special heavy-duty steel. Superior, hardness and torque. Exceeds, DIN and ISO requirements, by up to 100. Designed for the highest requirements of industry and construction trades. Number 5. Klein Tools 32500, 11-in-1 screwdriver, nut driver set, 8 bits, Phillips, slotted, Torx, square, 3 nut driver sizes, cushion, grip handle. Interchangeable, blade for fast and easy, switch out, comfortable, cushion grip handle, blast finish, bit tips provide a firm hold and reduce cam out, search cat. Number 32526 for a full set of replacement bits. The following replacement bits are available. See cat. Registered sign, under Acument Intellectual Properties, LLC, assembled in USA of US and imported components. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest top best product.